So you get it to this point and you use the quick release. Is purely a wrench to go in that opening, and you get your axle tight, and then what would happen is your quick release is flopping in the breeze. All you do is pass a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench through the middle here and tighten it up 1 or 2 clicks, and then I'm going to go for a third one. And then it's tight. You can also go for a fourth one if you want, or what have you. You can probably even do it. That's a little better. But anyway, that's just all there is to it.